1/3 of a cup of raw walnuts. I keep these in my refrigerator to keep them nice and fresh. 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon. This will give your plant milk a subtle sweetness. A few dashes of salt. This acts as a preservative and will give your walnut milk a more delicious flavor. I'm using a glass container with a screw top lid. 3 cups filtered drinking water. Pour the water into your high-speed blender. Using the smoothie setting, blend for 30 seconds. Pour the blended ingredients into a nut milk bag. I put the jar with the nut milk and the bag in it in the sink because when I squeeze the milk out, it tends to get all over the place. So that's why I do it this way, less cleanup, or I should say, easier to clean up. My original intention was to make almond milk, but I accidentally grabbed the walnuts. So I made walnut milk and I was surprised. It was really delicious in my smoothie. So I decided to show you how to make it. Store in the fridge, it will last 3 days. For my favorite low-fat, oil-free, plant-based vegan recipes, order my cookbook with vegan nutrition facts on how to prevent and reverse disease, which chronicles my personal health and weight loss story through my website, thehigh5diet.com.